How to fix Outlook send and receive error. So here I am in the Outlook application. So if you are encountering the send and receive error in Outlook, what you can do first is that you need to make sure that you are connected to an internet connection. So just go to your internet settings right here. So make sure you are connected to an internet, and then it says right here connected and secured. So sometimes if you are not connected to an internet, it will say right here no internet even though you are connected to a Wi-Fi. So from here, if you are now connected to the internet, you can go to the send and receive tab and then click send and receive all folders. So from here, it will go ahead and sync your account, and then you should now it should now be fixed. So if it's still not working, you can also double check if work offline is turned on. So for example, if it is turned on, what will happen is that your Outlook account will be offline, and then there will be an X right here beside your Outlook icon. So what this means is that Outlook is offline, and then you will not receive new emails. So make sure that this is turned off so that you are connected to the server and you will receive new emails, as well as the send and receive error should now be fixed. And then if you are still encountering problems, what you can do is that you can go to File, go to Account Settings, and then click Account Settings. From here, you should see your account logged in right here. So in my case, I have different accounts logged in. But in your case, for example, if you are encountering a problem on that specific account, what you need to do is that you need to remove that account. So for example, I'll remove this account. Then from here, you can just go ahead and click yes. And then from here, I just need to add it back again. So I can just click on new. From here, this Outlook window will open. Then you just need to type in your email address. So I'm just going to type in the email address that was removed, which is this one. So it auto-completed it for me. So I can just go ahead and click connect. From there, the account is successfully added. I can now go ahead and restart Outlook. So I'll just click done, close. From here, to restart Outlook, we just need to close it and then open it back again. And then we'll just wait for it to finish. Now, Outlook is open again, and then my account should now be added right here in the list of accounts that is logged in. And then what you can also do is that you can go back right here. Then you can make that specific account your default account. So for example, this account, you want to make it as your default, just click set as default. And then now you can go ahead and check Outlook again if the send and receive error is now fixed. So if you have done the solutions that I have shown you and you are still encountering some errors, what we need to do is that we need to use the repair feature of Microsoft. So just go to search right here, and then let's go to the control panel. So open control panel. From here, let's go to programs and features right here. And then from here, just type in Microsoft in the search bar. From here, choose Microsoft 365 apps for business, click change, click yes. From here, you have two options. So you have quick repair, where it will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. And then you just need to run this first and see if the problem is fixed. So if you have used the quick repair and then the problem is still in your Outlook application, then you can choose online repair. So this will fix all issues, but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So just use this after you have finished using quick repair and if you're still having some problems. So keep in mind, when you use these features, it will take a while for this to finish. So you just need to wait for it to finish. Then you can open Outlook again to see if the problem is fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Outlook send and receive error. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.